for nobody but himself, no, yeah. He doesn't mind at all, he want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself, no, yeah. So I pull myself together.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Silvana and this is officially Silvana. If you're new here, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like the content, please subscribe. If you're an oldie but goodie, yes, I'm glad that you hung in there that long. But this is my new video for 2023, and I have a few things I want to share with you in reference to home decor, some beauty stuff, and Five and Below. Yeah, I went to Five and Below today, but I found some really nice stuff. So let's just get into the video. I've been lately trying to update my home. It's a lot of things that I'm trying to change in my home, but of course we don't have a lot of money, so we're trying to change it very slowly. One thing I'm trying to incorporate in my home is more brass, because my home initially have a lot of grays, have a lot of whites and a lot of black, and that seems to tend to make the home cold. So what I'm trying to do is add some warmth to my home, and I want to incorporate some brass. I really like the look of brass, and you know, that brings in some warmth into the home. So I did get a couple of brass pieces that I found. I found a really beautiful vase at Homegoods. Now, Homegoods to me is a hit or miss. I go there seldomly because a lot of times I don't find anything, but I did find a beautiful vase that I want to share with you. That's the first thing I want to show you right now, is this beautiful vase. So this is a vase that I found at HomeGoods. I think it's so beautiful. It puts you in the mind of that vase at Anthropologie because it has these stud things on it. But this one's a little different. It's more of a it's a little shine to it, and it has, if you look closely, it has some little pattern to it, some little brown specks. But I totally love this vase. It's a good size, and right next to HomeGoods, when I dropped my daughter off at chair practice the other day, I ran into HomeGoods to waste some time because her chair practice is 3 hours long. So found this at HomeGoods. I think the vase was 50 bucks. I think it was $49.99, and right next to it was a Hobby Lobby. So I ran in Hobby Lobby and I found these beautiful, see these? These are the air plants. I found those, and I just paired it with some green stems. My hair's a mess. So this is the look, and this is the first thing that I truly love. And all these pieces I'm going to show you today are pieces that I have on my coffee table. So in my next video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I style and incorporate these pieces on my coffee table. Let's look at the next piece. So my next piece is this beautiful candelabra, and I found this on Wayfair, and these are the flameless candles. I found these on Amazon. They are flameless, they are battery operated, and right now I don't have the batteries in it. Well, the batteries are dead. But when I show you the styling video on the coffee table, I'll have some batteries in it. But this is something I love. Of course, it's in brass, and it's a beautiful candelabra, and I found this on Wayfair. Now, this was in my shopping cart for a while. I mean, for maybe a couple of weeks, because the price point on it is kind of high, but I kept looking around trying to find something similar, but I couldn't find it. I wanted something in the brass, and I said, you know what, I'll just go ahead and order it. If I don't like it, I'll send it back. So that's what I did. I ordered it, and I love it. It has some weight to it. It's not a cheap piece whatsoever. It has some weight, and it's absolutely beautiful. And when you add all the candles to it, the faux candles, I do the flameless, especially if they're sitting on my table. It's so beautiful, and that's how it looks. So this is one of my favorite pieces right now. Favorite. So next piece is this brass bowl, and I found this on Wayfair as well. It's more of an aged copper or aged brass, and I love the shape of it. It's oddly shaped, and it's a nice weight as well. It has that felt at the bottom, so it's not scratching up your coffee table or your council table, wherever you decide to display it. But I think it's beautiful, y'all. That's another piece. I love it. Love this one. It's beautiful. Another decor item that I have are these three faux leather. I think it's shagreen. I think this is called the faux leather, the texture of it. Beautiful. Found this on Amazon. It's three, and it's, I think it was it was under $100, like $98. But these boxes are so beautiful and stylish. You have the brass handle, and they are functional, so you can go ahead and put your remotes in here or hide anything that you don't want on your coffee table in here. But I do have this in the black, and I also have it in the cream color, and I think they are very nice. Good for the price, I believe. Under $100, and you get all three of them. I think it's a really good Amazon find. I love it. So I love coffee table books, and I have a whole lot. Well, I'm gonna do a whole video on just my coffee table books, but this is the Louis Vuitton one, and I found this one on Tjmaxx. And this was, I think, $59.99 or $49.99. I forgot what the price is, but it's a nice big book. And that's one way you can style your coffee table, your council table, your side table, is with these really beautiful books. Or if you have a bookshelf, you can style it on there. I do have a big entertainment type of shelf set with my TV, and I can style this on there. I do have some books on there, but yeah, so those are all the decor pieces. I think they're really nice pieces that I'll keep in my home rotation, that I'll move around from the coffee table to the console table to everywhere in my home. But I love those pieces. So when I was out, I also, and these pieces that I just showed you, I bought over the past few months, okay? Over the past few months. I just unboxed this today, the book. So they're not pieces that I just bought all at once, but they came over the past few months. Now, who loved the halftime show? Because I loved it. I love Rihanna, and I don't have any of her makeup. So I went by the mall today because I had to take something back, and I did want to try her tinted moisturizer. So I did get that today, the Fenty brand, if I can open it. So I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. And what did I get? I don't know the color that I got. This is the first time I'm getting her stuff. But it's number 21. That's what it says, number 21. So, but it's number 21 on the box, and it's the tinted moisturizer, Fenty. And I want to try it because I really don't need a full coverage. I can use a light coverage on my face. I really don't need nothing heavy. So I wanted to try her tinted moisturizer. So if any of you have tried it, let me know how it is. I guess I could let you know on my next video how I feel about it. But this one is number 21. At Sephora, went to Sephora, and I also picked up a concealer, and this is the Sephora brand. I just went with the one that the girl that was helping me with the makeup, I just asked her, can you recommend a concealer, and she recommended the Sephora brand. When she did it in the store, it was cute, but we'll see how I do it. But those are the two things that I picked up from Sephora today. And that's a cute little bag. And yeah, I'll let you know how that works out. So also this weekend I stopped at Five and Below. Wanted to waste more time, of course, like I said, and whenever I go drop my daughter off to cheerleading practice, it's a long practice. It's 3 hours, so I always find something to do. So I decided to go to Five and Below, and I got some cute stuff. Got some stuff. So Five and Below, if you happen to go by there, I got this makeup brush cleaner from Five and Below. Never used it before, but I'm gonna try to see how it is. But that was $5. I got that. I got the Lift and Tighten, this skin rolling thing for my face. I'm gonna try that. says it's supposed to help with lifting and tightening. Yeah, quartz facial roller. I got that at 5 and below, and I think that was about $4. I got some makeup wipes, and my daughter uses these all the time at cheer competitions when she have to take her makeup off real quick. But guess what? I found this at 5 and below. This was I think this was $4. But right next door I went to Tjmaxx and I found a set of 4. My daughter already grabbed one of these, but I found a set of 4 facial wipes. There's only 3 right here, and this was only $4.99. So I kind of waste a whole $4 on just one, $4 or $5, when I got 4 for $4.99. So whatever, I'll just have extra ones. Also at 5 and below, I grabbed these makeup brush wipes. Never tried them before, first time gonna try them. But yeah, found these two, so when we travel cheer competitions that we can clean the makeup brush off. Not that my daughter uses a lot of makeup, but even when I travel with her, I can use and clean my makeup off with the brush. I can use this to clean my makeup brush. These are just things that I'm gonna try. And I also got the little bowl that you can use to clean your brushes with. Another thing at 5 and below, I found this. It's supposed to be some moisturizing lip type of lip repair serum that you're supposed to put on at night. I'm gonna try this one because I don't know about you, but my skin is dry. I always have dry lips, so I'm gonna try this. Let's see how it works. I'll let you know in upcoming videos. So this is what it looks like, and this was for $25, I think. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try these lip masks. I also picked these up at 5 and below. If you ever tried any of these things, let me know. I was just in there going around seeing what they have and just picked up a few things. So that's all the stuff. 5 and below. Went to 5 and below. 5 and below was maybe last week, I think Saturday. Today is actually Sunday. So no, actually I bought, so 5 and below I actually bought on Saturday, and I was lost in the days. I actually thought today was Saturday, but yeah. And then today I ran to Sephora because I actually had to take something back from Amazon, and I went to Kohl's, and Kohl's is where I drop off all my Amazon stuff that I got to take back, and they had a Sephora. So those are all the things that I had to show you today. Thanks for stopping by, and leave a comment. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you think about the decor pieces, and let me know if you tried any of these Sephora, the Fenty moisturizer. Let me know if you tried any of the 5 and below items. So next time we come back, I'm going to show you how I style the coffee table. With all these items that I showed you today was actually my coffee table. So I'm going to show you how I style that. So thanks for joining. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
He doesn't